Why don't seniors like meal prep for the week? Because by the time they remember where they put Wednesday's lunch, it's already Saturday's dinner. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on meal prep for seniors. Tip 1. Plan your meals. Meal planning is an integral part of meal prep. With a clear plan, you know exactly what you need when it's time to cook, thereby reducing the chances of poor nutrition or unhealthy food choices. For seniors, planning should center around a balanced diet that meets all the nutritional requirements, taking into account any dietary restrictions they may have due to chronic illnesses or doctor's prescriptions. Tip 2. Include variety. A varied diet not only caters to taste preferences, but also ensures a wider range of nutrients. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats in your meals. Create a rotation of meals that are not only healthy, but which also appeal to different taste and texture preferences. Tip 3. Consider portion sizes. Age-related changes often lead to decreased appetite and lower energy needs. Seniors should therefore make meals of appropriate portion sizes to avoid overeating. It will not only maintain a healthy weight, but also prevent wastage of food. Tip 4. Use freezer-friendly recipes. Freezing meals is an effective way to preserve food without losing its nutritional value. Prepared meals can be portioned out and placed in freezer-safe containers for future use. This is especially useful for seniors who find it hard to cook on a daily basis. Tip 5. Stay hydrated. Dehydration is a common issue among the elderly. Make sure to include water-rich foods in your meal prep and also keep a water bottle handy at all times. Juices and soups can also contribute to your daily fluid intake, but they should not replace water. Tip 6. Practice food safety. Always remember to store your food properly to avoid spoilage and foodborne illnesses. Before packing and refrigerating meals, ensure they cool properly. Different foods have different durations for which they can be safely stored. Keep track of these times and consume foods accordingly. Tip 7. Include fiber-rich foods. A diet high in fiber aids digestion and prevents constipation, a common concern among older adults. Foods rich in fiber like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains should be included in the meals. Tip 8. Easy to chew and swallow foods. With age, chewing and swallowing can become a problem for some. So, meals should be made in a way that they are easily chewable and swallowable, possibly through methods like stewing, baking, or even pureeing. Tip 9. Use herbs and spices. The sense of taste may diminish with age. To keep meals appealing, use a variety of herbs and spices. This not only enhances the flavor, but also provides additional health benefits. Tip 10. Invest in good quality containers. Good quality containers are key to meal prepping. They ensure that your food stays fresh and prevent any possible leaks or spills. Invest in a variety of sizes to fit different portion needs. Tip 11. Ask for help when needed. If meal prep becomes a challenging task due to physical or cognitive impairments, don't hesitate to ask for help. This can be from a family member, friend, or a hired professional. Some service providers specialize in meal prep for seniors, providing healthy, customized meals that cater to individual needs.